In this video I'm showing how to easily create a restore point on Windows 11. OK. First right-click on this PC. Select Properties. On this page click to open System Protection. Now here select the drive that you would like to create a restore point. You have to make sure that this feature is turned on. Then here click on Create. Enter the name you would like to remember for your point. After click on Create. The process will start. Done. The restore point was created successfully. So that's how to easily create a restore point on Windows 11. We meet at the next video.